Hi, I'm Dylan Monster, and I'm presenting for the Spacewalkers team. Our project on the Spacewalkers Tilt 5 is a tower defense game made for the Tilt 5 game. Our goal is to use the Tilt 5 system to create an immersive and fun casual gaming experience. We've created a game that incorporates the player's input with the wand to defend against an invading force. The game includes a variety of enemies, levels, and towers. The Tilt 5 is a recently released AR gaming system using a four-sided game board with AR markers along the border. These markers align the image created by dual projectors mounted on a pair of glasses and project that image to the user's eyes. The system is controlled using a wand, which is tracked by the glasses using the markers along the board as anchors. In-game, the wand links to a wand object with a pointer and origin. Our game uses a collider to track what the wand is interacting with. Spacewalkers was originally built on a mobile platform so the game's mechanics should be designed and implemented on a familiar setting before moving them to the Tilt 5. While some functions did not make the jump, all of the game's core mechanics have been included in the port. Once ported, we adapted the controls to match with the Tilt 5's control scheme. Some parts of our game stayed relatively unchanged from the original, while others changed radically to use the wand. The game underwent extensive playtesting during its development, allowing us to fine-tune and catch and resolve bugs. Unfortunately, the game does suffer from some of the Tilt 5's hardware limitations. The glasses have difficulty tracking the wand, which can cause the in-game object to disconnect from the end of the physical one. Additionally, if more than one or two of the markers along the edge of the board are covered, the image cuts out entirely. Since the wand must be in line of sight for the glasses at all times for it to work, this can cause issues with the player covers markers physically. Long-term use also has issues. The game's image projection system causes eye strain during long playtesting and development sessions. For the Tilt 5 to work, the glasses must be connected to the computer at all times via USB cable. The glasses also heat up during play, which can cause discomfort. The wand object may actually take time to connect to the end of the physical wand. Our object is the laser-like line coming out of the tip of the wand. The laser shows the player which tile on the board they're interacting with. Players may place turrets on the green circle marked tiles, which highlight when the laser interacts with them. To place a turret, press the circular button below the 1 and 2 buttons on the controller. The 1 and 2 buttons rotate which type of turret is being placed. The player can also press the X button to switch to the options menu, which allows the player to restart the level or quit to the main menu. The in-game camera is moved using the wand's joystick. The player can change the zoom level by pressing down on the joystick and can reset the camera by pressing the B button. Enemies will spawn from a point on the left side of the screen and will work their way to an endpoint on the right. If an enemy makes it to the endpoint, the player loses a life. Players losing all of their lives lose the game. If the player makes it through the enemy waves, they win. Most of the mobile version's mechanic transferred to Tilt 5 version. The game runs on the Tilt 5 with little to no issues that aren't caused by the platform's unique nature. But the Tilt 5 is not perfect. The glasses occasionally have difficulty tracking the wand, and long play sessions can become uncomfortable. While it is possible to create fun and immersive casual gaming experiences for the Tilt 5 game board, there are issues with the hardware and software that present challenges. Our game, which is fairly basic in concept, can be used as a base for more complex ideas and experiences in the future. We gain valuable experience working with the system and learning its ins and outs. Thank you.